Amendment 5, no person shall be held to answer for a capital or otherwise infamous crime unless on a presentment or indictment of a grand jury. By the way, felonies in this country, both federal and state felonies, remember we have a dual system, state system, federal system. And guess what? Each state has its own constitution as well. You have all these same rights under your state constitution in Kentucky and Ohio, as well as the federal constitution. Most of them are mimicked. They're copied. They're mirror images of them. But guess what? For a felony, they have to take you to the grand jury, what they do called a direct indictment. Jury in cases arising in the land or naval forces or in the militia when in actual service in time or war in public danger, nor shall any person be subject for the same offense to be twice put in jeopardy of life or limb. Double jeopardy. If you're found not guilty of the exact same crime, they can't charge you again even if you admit you did it. Nor shall be compelled in any criminal case to be a witness against himself. It's why we call it plead the fifth. You do not have to testify in a criminal matter on yourself. Nor be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process of law. You talk about lots of Supreme Court case decisions of defining what that deprivation is. Nor shall private property be taken for public use without just compensation. So, the federal government, state governments can take your property. They just have to pay you for it. That's what that means.